We are reading Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur's describing the glories of Sri Narottam Das Thakur. Shri Krishna Namamrita Varshi Vaktra Chandra Prabhadvasta Tamo Bharaya Gauranga Devanucha Charaya Tasmai Namo Nama Shri Narottamaya Sankirtanananda जमनदहस्य दन्तद्युतिद्योतीतदिनमुखाय स्वेदस्रुधारा स्नापिताय तस्मै नमो नमः श्रीनरोत्तमाय मृदङ्गनामस्तुतिमात्रकङ्कट पदाम्बुजमद मन्द मनोहराय सद्या समुद्यात पुलकाय तस्मै नमो नमः श्रीलनरोत्तमाय गन्धर्वगर्वशपन स्वलस्य विस्मापित शेषकृति विश्वजय स्वसृष्टगणप्रति प्रथिताय तस्मै नमो नमः श्रीलनरोत्तमाय आनन्दमूर्च्छवनिपात भत धूलीभर भर भारलङ्कृत विग्रहाय यद्दर्शनं भाग्यभारेण तस्मै नमो नमः श्रीलनरोत्तमाय स्थले स्थले यस्य कृपा प्रपाप्ति कृष्णस्य कृष्णान्यतृष्णतजनसम समहत्ति नाम निर्मूलित एव भवन्ति तस्मै नमो नमः श्रीलनरोत्तमाय यदभक्तिनिष्ठोपलरेखिक इव स्पर्श पुनः स्पर्श मनीव यस्य प्रमाणम् एवं स्तुष्यति वादयति यं तस्मै नमः श्रीलनरोत्तमाय मूर्तैव भक्तिः किं अयां किम् एष वैराग्यसरस्तनुमा तनुमन् नृलोके सम्भव्यते य कृतिभिः सदैव तस्मै नमः श्रीलनरोत्तमाय श्रीराधिका कृष्णविलाससिन्धौ निमज्जत श्रीलनरोत्तमस्य पठेदय एवाष्टकम् एतदुच्छे असौ तदीयं पदवीं प्रयाति कारुण्यदृष्टि समीतस्रित मण्डुकोटि रम्याधारोद्यत अतिसुन्दरदन्तकान्ति श्रीमन्नरोत्तममुखाम्बुज मन्दस्यं लास्यं तनोतु हृदि मे वितरात स्वदास्यं रजनं मृदङ्गकरतल करकलभिरामं गौराङ्गगणमधुपान भारभिरामं श्रीमन्नरोत्तमपदाम्बुजमन मञ्जुनृत्यं भृत्यं कृतार्थयतु माम फलितेस्तकृत्यम्. So we are reading the Narottam Prabhu Ashtakam. In this, again and again, I offer my obeisances to Narottam Das Thakur. He is a true follower of Lord Gaurang Dev. From his lotus mouth showers the nectar of Sri Krishna's name, from which emanates the wonderful effulgence that destroys all ignorance. Again and again, I offer my obeisances unto Narottam Das Thakur. He slightly smiles, being absorbed in the bliss of chanting the holy names. His teeth illuminate in every direction. Torrents of ecstatic tears constantly bathe his face. Again and again, I offer my obeisances unto Srila Narottam Das Thakur. Just by hearing the sounds of Mridanga, his feet began dancing. This captures one's mind, providing such pleasure that one's hair stands on end. Again and again, I offer my obeisances unto Narottam Das Thakur. His dancing is so beautiful that it conquers the pride of the Gandharvas and amazes the assembly of all expert dancers and singers. So, Srila Narottam Das Thakur has thus initiated his own style of singing and playing the mridanga called Manohara Sahi. Again and again, I offer my obeisances unto Narottam Das Thakur. Sometimes in ecstasy, he falls unconscious to the ground. Thus, his effulgent body is adorned by the dust as a decoration. Only by the greatest fortune one may behold this divine sight. Again and again, I offer my obeisances unto Srila Narottam Das Thakur. Wherever his mercy flows, it will completely uproot the thirst for anything other than Krishna in all the people assembled here. Again and again, I offer my obeisances unto Srila Narottam Das Thakur. His faith and steadiness of devotion is as raw, solid as a rock. His touch transforms like the philosopher's stone. His words are as beneficial as the words of the scriptures. Again and again, I offer my obeisances unto Srila Narottam Das Thakur. Whenever points pious soul people see him, they began to ponder: he is an embodiment of devotion, or is he the incarnation of renunciation in this world? A person who is absorbed in the operation of the pastimes of Sri Radha and Krishna should read these 8 prayers aloud. By doing so, he'll certainly attain the same abode obtained by Narottam himself. By Srila Narottam's merciful glance, even such qualities as unrestrained anger will be pacified. Let his beautiful limbs, the glow of his teeth, his lotus like face, and his slight smile and his dancing be manifested in my heart. Pralamba Surat. Made blissful by the exceedingly sweet sound of the mridanga and kartalas and drinking the honey of the glorification of Sri Gaurang Deva as his lotus feet dance in the most enchanting fashion, may that Sri Narottam Das Thakur gratify me, his lowly servant, by bestowing the fulfillment of my